Hi guys, we're out at Mount Laguna in our camping spot. Thursday before Labor Day weekend. Nobody's here yet, which is cool. And we are setting up. Camp is officially set up. Time for one of these.
Trapper's Bible. Bold, cook, and authentic historical recipes and practices. That's what we're doing in California.
We are out, short little hike outside of Mount Laguna, going to Little Laguna Lake, and then beyond that is Big Laguna Lake. And this is Laguna Meadows, and there's all these little toads hopping around. We're in a toad migration path. All right, we're at Big Meadow Lake, and we've realized after one night of camping that we're pussies and we would never survive in a world collapse.
I'm making it afraid.
Let's step off, let this guy pass. So we didn't see Little Laguna Lake. We think it was pretty much dried up. A lot of photos online, most part, don't show it with a lot of water. So, but this is, we're coming up here on Big Laguna Lake, which looks pretty cool.
Gotta love it when the hubs is the pack mule and carries everything. Coffee out. Gary carries the mugs back after our hike.